Ever wonder how new Amazon sellers are able to successfully sell their products even though there's already tons of competition on Amazon? And no, we're not talking about having the cheapest product. Hi, I'm Jeremy Sando, and together with Austin Hilton, we've built a multi-seven-figure business selling products on Amazon. Now we're spilling the beans on how you can create a business selling on Amazon that can replace your day job income working on it just 1 hour per day. It's all included in our free online workshop where we'll show you from A to Z how to build a profitable business on Amazon, and you can click here to join. But first, we'd like to share a bit of what we've learned about how to make your products sell on Amazon without a lot of time and money on your part. So here's what sells on Amazon. Number one, products where the demand is greater than the supply. There's a common misconception that you want to sell products that no one else is selling, but in reality, you only want to sell what others have proven already sells well. Number two, products that fit the impulse buying range. The products to sell are the ones that don't require a lot of thought to make a purchasing decision. We find that the best products fall into a retail price range of between $15 to $50. Number three, products you can create a unique and sustainable brand from. The more ways you're able to differentiate from your other competitors, the more likely you will be able to sell successfully. This can be simple stuff like a better brand name, different colored labeling, and better images that show the product in action. Look, these are just a few examples of how to be more competitive on Amazon. We also want to show you how to pick products that are going to be guaranteed winners before you ever start selling them, and how to outsell your competition by ethically spying on them. You'll learn that and so much more in our free online workshop, so go ahead and click here and get started now.